Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies. This is going to be a video I shot using the DJI Mavic 3 today out in Stockton, November 30th, about the strike going on downtown. So without further ado, let's go. Greetings. Today, this is going to be a bird's eye view capturing a powerful moment in Stockton's heartbeat. Today, we are at City Hall, where the unsung heroes of Stockton's members of OE3 Union, the trades, maintenance, and operations, are seeking or standing for a fair compensation, not just monetarily, but for medical benefits and a better livelihood that everybody deserves, especially right now with the inflation that is going on around us. They need help too. High above, we witness the faces of those who ensure the basics of our daily lives, flushing toilets, clearing encampments, and dealing with sharps and stuff like that. But so does the people dealing with flushing your toilets too. Trust me, those pipes are dirty and a super mess. You'd be surprised. Clearing encampments, changing streetlights, and guiding the rainwater to rivers and streams around us rather than filling up in our neighborhoods and flooding. Usually we could get that under control. Not always. These remarkable men and women are more than their job titles. They're the backbone of our city, and today they're united in a strike, not for monetary gain, but for fair treatment, medical benefits, etc. In a world where their vital work often goes unnoticed, their fight for fairness deserves to be heard. It's not just about numbers, it's about recognizing their dedication and integral role to the play in our daily lives here in the city. They're not just demanding a raise, they're fighting for the security of their health and well-being. This is a story that deserves national attention, especially when compared to the myriad of mainstream stories we have been hearing lately, such as UAW, nurses, police, fire. If you're passionate about understanding the real stories that shape our communities, subscribe to Scotties Hobbies. We're here to shed light on the issues that matter. Stand with us, supporting these essential workers as they strive for fair compensation and comprehensive health care. Subscribe, like, and share to stay connected to the genuine stories that shape our community. All right, guys. So hopefully that whole script worked out good. That was written by OpenAI, and it really helps get my thoughts to words because I suck at writing. But this strike is going on for 3 days now. It's going to be going on until Monday. I don't even know what day that is right now. It's now Thursday, November 30th. So whatever Monday is, that's when the strike is over. But they're not fighting for much. If you look at it, I believe, I don't even know what it is, honestly. Just look it up. So I hope this video shed some light on some news that you have not heard or you needed a passionate update about. If you have questions, if you have comments, comment below. Let people know. Share this video, please. My usual videos are actually automotive videos, so if you're driving somewhere and your car breaks down, check out Scotties Hobbies. I have brakes, emissions videos, a bunch of stuff automotive, but I love flying this DJI Mavic 3. So I will see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video. Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies.